Imagine you want to cook. I think it happens frequently to all of us that you open the fridge and something you need is missing. What if you never had to think about that again? What if your fridge was self-filling? Every time you take something out, there would be a note to the supermarket, and they will bring it directly to you. Your job would be so much easier. And how often does that happen in your production? PartGuard will be the answer. PartGuard is an intelligent storage system for controlled parts availability and replacement. PartGuard will ensure that you have all parts you need available. This will prevent unplanned machine stops. All parts can be reordered automatically from Kilian, or a note to the purchase department can be created. You can not only store your wear parts or critical spare parts with PartGuard. It is also useful for documentation, machine tools, your smart glass and calibration tools. You can store even a spare set of compression tools. The PartGuard software allows for monitoring access and consumption according to your needs. Wasting time with searching will be eliminated. And also missing parts will be yesterday. You always know where your parts and tools are. The access can be monitored for machine numbers, which can help you identify specific consumptions of your machines. It can also be monitored for individual staff members, or it can be summarized for a whole shift. You are able to generate detailed reports, stock lists, withdrawal lists and many more. PartGuard is a modular system, so it can be perfectly customized for your individual needs. The installation of PartGuard is really simple. Just a few steps and you are ready to start. And beside all these improvements and benefits, there is no initial investment. So what are you waiting for? Get started. Order your customized PartGuard now.